Hello, everybody, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Myra. I am standing here in my bathtub because today is lock wash day. First of all, I want to excuse my voice. I'm getting over a nasty bug, and so my voice is the last thing to come back. But like I was saying, today is lock wash day. But I figured I'd use this as an opportunity to give you 5 reasons why you should be using dishwashing soap. Yes, I said it. Dishwashing soap every once in a while. From here, I'm just going to be letting the voiceover take over. I like to start by parting my hair in half. That way I work it in 2 sections. So you can see at the back here, it's nice and parted, and that makes it a lot easier for me to work with. Trying to get my shower head going and not wet the floor at the same time. I start by saturating my scalp and my hair with warm water to help both my pores and my hair follicles open. This way, the cleanser can penetrate and really pull out all the dirt and buildup that I have. I do one side and then I move on to the other. Now I apply my detergent, and as you can see, I start by applying it to the scalp first, and then I work my way down my locks. So why dishwashing detergent? I mean, there are plenty of cleansers on the market that you can use to clean your hair. The first reason is that dishwashing detergent is a grease fighter. It helps to break down grease and oil buildup in your locks. And so it really penetrates your locks to pull out any type of dirt and oil buildup and grease that you have been using. As people with locks, we tend to use a lot of oils in our hair, and over time, it just compounds. All of it doesn't come out with regular washing. So using a detergent will really help to break that down and to pull it out of our hair to really leave our hair feeling clean. To really penetrate my locks, if you notice, I'm squeezing the cleanser into my hair, really working on my scalp and just squeezing the locks to really get the cleanser in between the locks, in between the strands, and to clean it out. And from there, I'll rinse. It's so important that you give your hair a really good rinse to wash all the cleanser out. But because I am going to do a second wash, I'm not too funny about having all the cleanser come out entirely. I'll really focus on that in my second wash. The second reason why you should be using a detergent to clean your locks every once in a while is that it penetrates individual strands. So, as you know, locks really are just individual strands of hair matted. And the beauty of the detergent is that it actually penetrates each lock to clean between each strand. And so when you use it, you know that you're getting a really deep clean because it is going into spaces where sometimes other cleansers just can't reach. The third reason is that as a cleanser, it does just that. It removes dirt. Daily activity, constant product use, and just our lifestyle does add to dirt buildup. When your hair is really clean, it allows for new hair growth. It also allows for the products you use to better penetrate your scalp and your hair, and it allows it to work better. The fourth reason is that dishwashing detergent is generally safe to use. However, using it too often and using it on a regular basis to wash your hair can strip your hair of its natural oils and promote dryness. But every once in a while, to clear your hair of heavy buildup is fine. Time for my second wash. And this time, I really focus not so much on the scalp as it is I focus more on the hair. Really getting that cleanser in there and trying to release all that dirt and oil and buildup from between the strands. Finally, the fifth reason is that dishwashing detergent is economical, which means you're not breaking the bank to clean your hair. You can have clean scalp and clean hair, and it's not going to cost you a lot. My hair is all nice and washed. Ah, that felt really good. Ooh, my hair is still very, very wet, but this is okay. It's actually not wet as it is, it's more damp. It's gonna bring out a little bit more moisture. And then I'm going to oil it. Mm. Let me tell you, it feels so good. Feels so, so good. My hair is nice and my scalp is warm. My hair is also actually warm. So from here, I am going to add my hair oil. And this is a really simple hair oil. It's just a mixture of jojoba essential oil and grapeseed. And I added a few, sorry, let's start that again. Jojoba and grapeseed carrier oils and peppermint, rosemary, tea tree, and sweet orange essential oils. And what those do, the essential oils, they serve as antimicrobials and antifungals. Don't want anything growing in my locks that besides my locks. They also serve as a refresher, and especially the peppermint and the orange, they treat the scalp. So I've had this oil sitting in warm water, so it's nice and warm. So it will penetrate to my scalp even faster. And because my locks are also warm, it will penetrate my locks. So just squeeze some onto my hair, squeeze some into my hands, and then just moisturize my locks. And I'm not going to sit under a dryer or anything. I'm just going to let it naturally dry as the day progresses. Here we are. I like to work my hair actually in halves, as you probably saw it when I was washing. So much easier. And there we go. I have to stand on my toes to show you the end of the bottom of my locks here. Oh, and my scalp just feels so clean, so incredibly clean. My hair feels clean, feels so much lighter. Oh, there we are. And that's it. That's my lock wash, but that is 5 reasons why you should be using a dishwashing detergent every once in a while. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and push for notifications. And I will see you next time. Bye.